Hey everyone, welcome to the Therapy Tips and Tricks channel. Today I'm diving into some of the best tips and tricks to help you pass the National Clinical Mental Health Counseling Examination, or NCMHCE. If you're a counseling student or seasoned therapist gearing up for this big exam, stick around because I've got some solid advice for you. First things first, let's talk about understanding the exam format. The NCMHCE is a bit different from other tests you might have taken. It's composed of clinical simulations that require you to apply your knowledge to real-world scenarios. So you need to familiarize yourself with these types of questions. One great way to do that is by using practice exams. Practicing with these simulations will not only help you get comfortable with the format, but it will also help you identify your strengths and areas for improvement. Trust me, practice makes perfect. Next up, let's talk study materials. Invest in a good NCMHCE prep book or online course. Resources from organizations like the National Board for Certified Counselors, NBCC, can be really helpful. They often provide study guides, practice questions, and other materials designed specifically for the exam. Another good resource to study is Counselorexamtips.com. They have over 160 simulations, thousands of quiz questions, flip cards, and videos. You can even try a free exam. There is always the trusted Purple Book by Rosenthal. I also really like Dr. Pam on YouTube. Don't forget about study groups too. Joining a study group can offer support, different perspectives, and accountability. Sometimes discussing scenarios with peers can help you see things you might have missed on your own. Now, let's address time management. You want to start your preparation early. Create a study schedule that breaks down your study sessions into manageable chunks and try to stick to it. Consistency is key. Another crucial point is self-care. Preparing for an exam like the NCMHCE can be stressful, so make sure you're taking care of your mental health. Get enough sleep, eat well, and take breaks when you need them. A well-rested and healthy mind will retain information better and think more clearly during the exam. On exam day, stay calm and confident. You've put in the work, and now it's time to show what you know. Read each question carefully, manage your time wisely, and don't rush. Remember, it's not just about what you know, but how you apply it. Lastly, if things don't go as planned and you don't pass on your first try, don't get discouraged. Many people need more than one attempt. This does not define you as a therapist. Reflect on what you can improve, adjust your study plan, and try again. I hope these tips and tricks help you feel more prepared for the NCMHCE. Best of luck to all of you future counselors out there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching Therapy Tips and Tricks.